In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reinstall the Microsoft Store. If your store won't open, keeps crashing, or is missing entirely, this quick process will re-register it with Windows and usually brings it right back. All you need is a Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC with administrator access. We'll start by opening an elevated command window. Right-click the Start button in the lower left corner of your screen. If you prefer the keyboard, press Windows and X together. From the menu that appears, choose Terminal Admin. On some systems, you may see Windows PowerShell Admin instead. Either option is fine as long as it says Admin. This elevated window gives the command the permissions it needs to repair system apps like the Microsoft Store. If you see a prompt from User Account Control asking if you want to allow changes to your device, click Yes. That prompt is normal and simply confirms you're running with administrator rights. With the elevated window open, it's time to run the reinstallation command. Copy and paste the reinstallation command into the window and press Enter. Pasting helps avoid typos, and pressing Enter will start the deployment. Be sure you paste the entire command as a single line. After you run it, you'll see progress messages appear. It may mention deploying packages or registering components. On some systems, you might see a warning or two if certain parts are already present. That's typically okay. What you're looking for is for the process to complete and for the prompt to return, which means the command has finished running. Once the deployment completes, go ahead and restart your PC. Use the Start menu, choose the power icon, and select Restart. This reboot is important because it lets Windows finalize any registration changes and ensures the store's services and dependencies start cleanly. When your computer comes back up, test the Microsoft Store. Open the Start menu, type Microsoft Store, and launch it. It should open promptly and display the home page. If you're asked to sign in with your Microsoft account, you can do that now to access your apps and purchases. Browse a bit, try searching for an app, or open your library to confirm everything is working smoothly. That's it. The Microsoft Store has been reinstalled. If the store still doesn't launch, double-check that you ran the command in an administrator window and that it completed without a critical error, then repeat the process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to downloading and updating your apps.